Graphing points and the first quadrant of the coordinate plane. Here, the graph paper, and this is the horizontal line. This is the x-axis, and the vertical line, it's the y-axis. And here it's the origin point, 0. I will divide the x-axis every 1 square and the y-axis every 1 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to plot points on the coordinate plane? To plot a point on the coordinate plane, we need to know its ordered pair, the x and y. So to plot any point, you have to give me the ordered pair of this point. For example, represent point A, 2 and 5, and B, 4 and 3 on the coordinate plane. The point A, the ordered pair 2 and 5, 2 is on the x-axis and 5 is on the y-axis. How to plot the points? I will go on the x-axis, 2, and then I will go up till I reach 5 on the y-axis, and I will form my points. What about the point B? The ordered pair of the point B is 4 on the x-axis and 3 in the y-axis. So to plot point B, I will go to 4 on the x-axis and I will go up till I reach 3 on the y-axis, and then I will plot my point B, 4 and 3. Booklet page 48. In the coordinate plane of N, represent point A, 3 and 5, B, 5 and 3, C, 3 and 8. To plot the point A, 3 and 5, 3 is on the x-axis, 5 on the y-axis. So I will go to 3 on the x-axis and I will go up till I reach 5 on the y-axis, and I will plot my point A. A, its ordered pair 3 and 5. What about the point B? Point B, 5 and 3. 5 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So I will go to 5 on the x-axis and go up till I reach 3 on the y-axis, and I will plot my points. So B equal 5 and 3. Point C, 3, 8. 3 on the x-axis and 8 on the y-axis. So I will go to 3 on the x-axis and I will go up till I reach 8 on the y-axis, and I will plot my points. This is point C. Its ordered pair is 3 and 8. Page 49. Represent the following points: A, 4 and 0, B, 4 and 3, Z, 0 and 0. Then join the points together and determine the kind of the angle BZA. Let's first plot our points and then we will join and see our shape. So point A, 4 and 0. 4 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis. So I will go to 4 on the x-axis and I will not go up because the y is 0. So point A, this is the ordered pair 4 and 0. Point B, 4 and 3. 4 for the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So I will go to 4 on the x-axis and I will go up till I reach 3 on the y-axis, and I will plot my points. This is point B, 4 and 3. The last point, point Z, 0 and 0. So 0 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. So 0 and 0, I will not change my point from the origin. 0 on the x and 0 on the y. And then I want to join these points together. I will join the points together, A to B and B to Z and Z to A. What's the shape? This is a triangle. You want me to determine the kind of the angle BZA. BZA, I will start with the point B, Z, and A. This is the angle BZA. What's the kind of this angle? This angle kind is what? This is acute angle. This is an acute angle because it's smaller than 90 degrees, so it's an acute angle. Then complete. Number 1. The length of AB equal how many units? I will count how many units between A and B. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 units. And the length of AZ, count how many units between the point A and the point Z. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 units. Booklet page 50. The opposite figure represents the coordinate plane of n times n. Determine the coordinates of A, B, C, and D as shown in the figure. Here he gives me the points and he wants me to write the ordered pair or the coordinates. Let's go to point A. I want to get the x and the y. So I will go down from the point A on the x-axis. I will find it 0 on the x-axis. And what's its number on the y-axis? It's 5. So the ordered pair is of the point A is 0 and 5. Okay, point B. I will go down to the x-axis. I will find it 4. And the y-axis 5. So the ordered pair is 4 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So it's 4 and 5. Point C. I will go down from point C to the x-axis, read the number, it's 4, and to the y-axis I will find the number 2. So the ordered pair is 4 and 2. The point D. I will go down from point D to the x-axis, it's 4, and to the y-axis it's 7. So the ordered pair is 4 and 7. The last point, E, I will go down on the x-axis, 7, and the y-axis, 5. So the ordered pair is 7 and 5. Then he wants the length of AB equal how many units? AB, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's equal to 4 units. Booklet page 51. The coordinates of the midpoint. If I have the point A and its ordered pair is x1 and y1, and the point B and its ordered pair is x2, y2, then the coordinates of the midpoint of AB is, there is a rule to find the coordinates of the midpoint, which is to find the first coordinate, it will be x1 plus x2 over 2, and the second coordinate, it will be y1 plus y2 over 2. So, x1 plus x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. Let's take an example. If point A, its ordered pair is 2 and 3, and the point B, its ordered pair is 6 and 7, then the coordinates of the midpoint of AB is, I will put x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1, 2, x2, 6, so 2 plus 6 over 2, y1, 3, y2, 7, so 3 plus 7 over 2. 2 plus 6 over 2, 2 plus 6 equals 8, 8 over 2 equals 4, and the second coordinate, 3 plus 7 equals 10, 10 over 2 equals 5. So it's 4 and 5. So the ordered pair of the midpoint is 4 and 5. Booklet page 51, complete. Number 1, if A equals 3 and 5, point B 5 and 7, then the coordinates of the midpoint of AB is, first I have to write the rule. The coordinates of the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 3, x2 5, so equal 3 plus 5 over 2. y1 5, y2 7, so 5 plus 7 over 2. 3 plus 5 over 2, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 8 over 2 equals 4. And 5 plus 7 equals 12, 12 over 2 equals 6. So the coordinates of the midpoint is 4 for the x-axis and 6 for the y-axis. Number 2, if x 0 and 4, its ordered pair, y, its ordered pair is 2 and 6, then the coordinates of the midpoint of xy is, I have to write the rule. The coordinates of the midpoint equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So to find the first coordinates, x1 is 0 and x2 2, so 0 plus 2 over 2. And y1 is 4, y2 is 6, so 4 plus 6 over 2. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 0 plus 2 equals 2, 2 over 2 equals 1, and 4 plus 6 equals 10, 10 over 2 equals 5. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 1 and 5. Number 3, if L 1 and 3, M 1 and 5, then the coordinates of the midpoint of LM is, write the rule. The coordinates of the midpoint, x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 here is 1, x2 is 1 also, so it will be 1 plus 1 over 2. And y1 is 3, y2 is 5, so 3 plus 5 over 2. 1 plus 1 over 2, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 over 2 equals 1. And 3 plus 5 equals 8, 8 plus 2, 8 over 2 equals 4. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 1 and 4. Number 4, if point G 2 and 6, point H 2 and 2, then the coordinates of the midpoint of GH is, write the rule, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. x1 is 2, x2 2 also, so 2 plus 2 over 2. y1 6, y2 2, so 6 plus 2 over 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 over 2 equals 2, and 6 plus 2 equals 8, 8 over 2 equals 4. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 2 and 4. Number 5, if point A 5 and 0, point B 9 and 0, then the coordinates of the midpoint of AB is, the rule is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 is 5, x2 is 9, so 5 plus 9 over 2. y1 0, y2 is 0, so 0 plus 0 over 2. 5 plus 9 equals 14, 14 over 2 equals 7, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 over 2 equals 0. So the coordinates is 7 and